Hello, I'm John, and this is affectionately called Barney, the big purple dinosaur. And the object of Barney here is to have a classic vehicle that we can haul the Carcinic Sound equipment around for local DJ events. So today is going to be Barney's actual first paying job, and we're going to see if we make it. So come on, ride along with me. And we're going to head over to Indialantic, Florida for the Friendly's Thursday night car show. Wickham Road traffic. Wow, a video of a guy stuck in traffic. The incredible things you find on YouTube. I don't mean to be boasting, but now I'm coasting. I need 450 horsepower. Just sit in traffic. Usually not this bad in our small town of Melbourne, Florida, but for some reason today we've got significant traffic. Of course, because I'm trying to get someplace by a certain time. But we'll take advantage of this and tell you a little bit about Barney here. Barney is a 1965 Chevrolet Panel van. It's been converted by a previous owner into something kind of more like a Suburban. We've got some seats in the back, and it came with a third row seat, but I took that out for hauling the Carcinic Sound equipment. It has a it has a 283 cubic inch Chevrolet small block in it, and as far as I know, that's the original engine, coupled to our 4-speed front seat transmission. And yes, this this is the one with the granny gear. If you watch carefully, you'll see I'm starting off in second. And even in this traffic, if it was really, really just crawling, I could use granny gear. That would help my clutch a little bit. This is tough for a 57-year-old clutch. I have no idea, but it feels like it's the original clutch. We're going to work on that one of these days. No matter what speed you drive, it feels like there's no right gear in this thing. I guess you get used to it. It's got a lot of torque. And if I was up towing a trailer, 5,000-pound trailer in the mountains of West Virginia or something like that, I'd probably appreciate the gearing and the transmission. But in flat Florida, I don't know if the gear ratios make any sense to me. Maybe I'll get used to it. They say you'll get used to it. But we've got a beautiful day for the show. I'm sure there's lots of cars arriving there right now. I left some extra time, so we're still good on time. And hopefully we get on O'Galley Causeway here. We'll pick up a little speed. Actually accelerates pretty good. I'm probably using about a third throttle on acceleration here. And that's good enough for this old thing. Go ahead, pull out in front of me, right? Yeah, that's smart. Single circuit brakes. Like probably 8,000 pounds, just pull out in front of it and go slow. The O'Galley Causeway, let's see if we make it up the hill. All right, Barney delivered.